If you want to clip sunglasses to your car visor, then this is my favorite clip, and I'm going to show you why. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Who doesn't wear sunglasses when they're in the car? I have a couple different pairs here, and really the difference here are the arms, because kind of your thin metal arms here, your big flat plastic arms there, and this is a clip that goes on your sun visor and make it really convenient to grab and store when you don't need them. So what I wanted to show you was this clip up close and why it's better than some of the other ones. Alright, so I want to show you why this is my favorite clip. This is the box that comes in here, and it looks just like your standard clip. It actually might be a little bit bigger, but the clip I had before actually had a little release button right here, and then it would pop open and hang open. And then the glasses would kind of fall out, and then to put them back in, you had to straddle the flap that opened up and then push that back up until it clicked. What I like about this is that this allows me to do this action one-handed. So you can see the clip that would go onto the visor, so it would go on just like this, and then this clip right here would be facing you. As you can see, it's a big, wide, Nike swoosh-shaped clip right there. It's got some pretty good resistance to it, but it's not super, super stiff. And then inside we have this recess, but what I want to show you here is that this piece right here, I don't know if that's silicone and rubber, but it's very, very soft. So what I want to show you here is actually these sunglasses work the best. If you have big, broad arms on those sunglasses, when this is on your visor like this and you want to push these in, you can just kind of do it like that and they go in, and then I can just pull them out like that. So I can do this all one-handed and they stay in there. And what's nice about that little rubber or silicone piece is that it keeps them from kind of sliding out. It puts a little resistance on there, but also it's kind of stuck into this recess there, but makes it nice and easy to pull out. Now what I will say is that these thin metal arms are a little bit more finicky because they don't really have as much strength, I think, laterally like the big wide plastic arms, but you can see those go in very nicely too. But this is kind of what I'm talking about. They kind of are a little more flimsy, so they kind of fight you either going in or coming out a little bit. So it's kind of easier if you grab the arms up there too, but otherwise you can get them in there just like that. And what I love about that is I can do it one-handed. Just grab out, even if it's a little finicky, pull them out, and I don't have to push a button, put these back up here, and then push this up and click it closed. This is all just a one-handed action, so that's what I really love about it. It's a little bit more, a couple bucks more than some of those other sunglasses clips, but I think this one is superior in almost every way. So if you want to pick up the superior essentials sunglasses clip to have your glasses at the ready anytime you're in the car so that you can drive safer because your eyes are protected from that nasty, nasty sun, well, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.